said. Why is this door locked? This door is never locked. You don't even shut this door.
But honey, you're so pretty.
I know, thanks. But you're still not opening the toolboxes until this is cleaned.
I don't know how it got shut.
Open it.
Look. I told you the light's out in here. It's dark, but look. Nothing, see? Nothing. Nothing in there. There's nothing to see. I told you the lights. This thing's a mess. But honey, you're so pretty.
I know, thanks. But you're still not opening the toolboxes until this is cleaned.
I need my toolboxes.
No, you don't. I don't see any tools in here.
The toolboxes are all lonely over there.
I
Look.
don't care. I don't see any tools in this mess that belong in that toolbox.
Oh man, yeah, right here.
No, those go up in your cabinet.
Huh? What?
You heard what I said.
I showed you guys how not to cut glass. That's why I got these. Yeah, I had to take her inside and show her who's the boss. I told her I got half of it done. And that my tools need a home. So she's letting me open them. Says everything flat becomes a catch-all for me, and she's not lying. So let's open this bad boy up. Got the keys taped to it. Take them off, sit on the side. Probably wind up having to cut this box away. No, just tear it. It's fine. Might have to cut this one away though. Let's see. Yeah, this is the bottom, so we got the right one. And it's heavy duty. And the styrofoam goes all the way across the bottom, so I'm gonna have to flip it out of the box. Grab it by. Alright, I know this thing has wheels, but I don't know where they're at yet. I guess there's not really anything put together, just two boxes. Let's see if we can find the wheels. out there playing with their coffee cans. Their favorite tool. Let's see if we can find the wheels. They're in one of these drawers. Oh, there's the handle. And some other parts. Oh, cool, come with liners. And these are probably the wheels. Pretty heavy duty caster wheels. Pretty heavy duty screws. Anyway, I'm gonna get these wheels on here and I'll see you guys in a little bit. They've got 2 locking wheels, casters, and then 2 just standards. I don't read instructions much, but I like these instructions. Nothing but pictures. I just looked in here to see where the locking wheels go, and they actually go on the end that has the handle. I mean, that makes sense to me. All right, for this, you're gonna need the screws, the bag of screws, and a 10mm nut driver. The handle came with different screws, and they're Phillips. And this is gonna screw in right on this side. Need a Phillips screwdriver. Teeth to open your bag. I'm gonna zip these in real quick. And they are tightening pretty sturdy. Tightening. Pretty sturdy. I wound up flipping it on its side. I'm gonna put some thread locker on and use a nut driver, but you could also use a flathead screwdriver. Let's go ahead and start this one down here. And then we'll get the other 2 in, and then we'll go on to this one. Don't strip them out that way either. Or you could just have one of these. Make it more flexible. They good. Alright, wife is calling. Gotta put you guys on hold. Yo, baby! Huh? I was doing a video. Got damage, look at that. Look at that. You can tell that's damaged. It's insane. And the top of it, look. Wow.
No, what can I do for you today?
Customer service.
Product availability.
I need to talk to a manager.
Let me get an associate to help you.
What? No. Give it a second, I'll talk back to this thing.